Hello my correct people, welcome back to our channel Commenters Analyzer TV. I greet the house good morning, good afternoon, good evening according to your time, according to the place where you for the see this our video. My people, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, what do you dey wait for? Subscribe by hitting the subscribe button and also on your notification bell in case whenever we post our video you go see our video. Subscription na free o, no be money. Just touch am, touch that red, you don subscribe. And also when you subscribe, on your notification bell in case whenever we post our video you receive our video. Today una know wetin we dey do now is our work o. So today we dey Monica Lobolobo comment section, aka Big Man White Beauty Clinic. We dey her comment section where she for post nene at 72 city room. No be small, no be small for this saga wey dey happen between Monica Ritoto International and Mommy Love. No be small saga. So she come post Nene at 72 and also Nene city room. Today mo go through the comment section, mo no see wetin people no see wetin our people drop as comments wey my commenters analyzer people. Hey, mo go comment section, mo see wetin dey happen for comment section, my people. All right. We get so many comments for the comment section. So many say beautiful, 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 beautiful. Yes, so many drop kiss, so many drop flower, so many drop symbol of love, say beautiful, and so many still drop many comments. Now the comment section now make us stay here. It's our work. So the first comment say when we dey read, many we don't drop today. Many say beautiful mommy, beautiful mommy, beautiful mommy. And the other comment section say, I beg, I need work to do. If not to wash pint and butter, I will. You won't wash pint and butter. This person won't wash pint and butter for Nene. May still dey clean Nene house now. Nene na gallant woman. So the next person say, Mommy Monica, you no need to show anything. God Almighty don't bless you. Don't bless you, my sister. Right down. Wanna let her reach the people who never bless. So so this person can't drop for here. And the next comment say, all these commenters. So the next comment say, all these commenters, one day it will get to your turn. Make una dey laugh for the stupid things when they do. So una here. So this person come reply to the comments. Say you guys should stop. So another person come reply this person. Say get lost. Where you dey all this year when Rita and her gang were drawing person who say I no want una trouble, even when they put them on private call. Rita say no, she is capable of the trouble. So get your brain back to 2020 of Rita video. Okay, no be small, my people. No be small, my people. This saga when one start so na just use saga to start 2022. I know say na wetin una take dey eat o, na work. More na dey do am so that we will still use the comments, we still dey use the comment section. No be so more 2022 just enter, everywhere just burst. So another person come reply this person, for 2 years where your brain, where you keep your stupid ear. I tell you say commenters commenters dey find trouble well. Commenters na there be the problem wey we get for this social media. And then they push all these presenters, say write down. Presenter no go dey happy say I get fans. Anyway, wetin make me like them, because if alarm pro, they always dey there for them. Okay, let's take the next comment, my people. So many people come still dey drop for the comments, say beautiful. The parlor is beautiful, Nene is beautiful. Let's take the next comment. The next commenter say, wow, nice one. I trust Daddy Cool. No be small. Commenters the wahala. This one say correct mama. Okay. This one say Nene fresh finish with love. So the next comment say, this has fine. He said this has fine. Full stop. He can say stop drama. You not get gist. Okay, so person can reply the commenter say, if only she knew how much is the. He say if only she knew how much is that expensive chair. He say nothing do the house. Dey neat. The chair dey okay. No be small. The next comment say Ritekia. Ritekia, show us your mama sitting room. My people, commenters, now we dey cause wahala. People go post something, they go comot. We now with our long mat and our wide mat, we no carry our eye comot for the post. We dey cause trouble. We want saga. Anyway, my people, we don't still finish today's video. Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the video. God bless you all. Please share this video to your friends, your loved ones. Share. Let the video go viral. Okay, bye. See you guys.